If you need to keep your workspace warm while you're working, we've got you covered, whether you're in rental, construction, agriculture, or any other industry out there. Here at Veloci Performance Products, we have offered heat for many years, but only in like diesel, kerosene, really anything with gasoline. This year, we're introducing electric heat to our heating equipment line. What I have in front of me here is the InfernoPro, roughly about 35,000 BTUs, 240 volt. You can see the fancy plug here, pretty gigantic, but electric heat's challenging. Rarely will you find, 120 volt, 60 hertz electric heat. It's your little basic plug-in for underneath your desk at the office. This is built more for the rental industry, construction, home shops, detailing bays, things like that. This is going to put out a lot more heat than those, Home Depot 120 volt electric heaters that you've probably seen by the pallet load there. I said it was about 35,000 BTUs, 240 volt, 60 hertz. The CFM on this is around 1200, and it's also ductable. The reason why it's ductable is because if you have this indoors and you want to duct it into a small room and you really want to close that room off, and like say the bed bug industry will do this, right? We have an option where you can duct this heater. The reason why I love the electric heat is because you don't have to mess around with fuel and combustion chambers and cleaning all that out, because there's a lot of maintenance that comes with diesel fueled heaters. I mean, they're invaluable. You can't get near the output from electric heat as you can from diesel. We've got 400,000, 800,000 BTU diesel heaters. But when you need electric, say indoors up on the 6th floor, the 12th floor of a high rise in New York or Boston or these bigger cities, some of these cities don't even allow you to burn those diesel heaters due to regulations where you have to use electric heat. We've got the answer for you here. The other thing with this, it's about 42 amps, quite a bit of draw, but it's like your dryer or any large electric appliances at home. This is a new addition to our line here. These are made in Italy, really high quality by a company that's been doing this for over 50 years. So you're getting something with a lot of backing and experience and knowledge. I also want to touch on the fact that these are stackable. So for anybody who wants, has got floor space in their rental shop, they can stack 3 or 4 of these up and you don't have to worry about finding racking and shelving to put them on. If you've got any questions about these, feel free to throw a comment down below. We'd love to chat with you, or you can head on over to our website and check them out for yourself. You'll find them underneath portable heating equipment. If you have any questions, you can email us through the website. You can reach out to us on social media. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.